Every day we scroll, sit, rush, and repeat. We chase time, chase tasks, chase screens, but somewhere along the way we forget to chase health. Tom sits at his desk 10 hours a day. Mia juggles kids, errands, and exhaustion. Grandpa Joe hasn't left the porch in weeks. Lena's just 16, but already drained. They all had something in common. They stopped moving, and slowly, life started moving without them. Then one day, something changed. Tom felt a sharp pain in his chest. Mia couldn't catch her breath running after her toddler. Joe looked out the window and didn't recognize the neighborhood anymore. Lena saw it. Most teens today risk heart disease by 25. That was the moment, the wake-up call. They didn't join a gym. They didn't buy new gear. They just walked. It wasn't glamorous. It wasn't easy. The first step felt heavy. The first block felt endless. But they did it. And the next day, they did it again. 10 minutes, 15, a little further each time. And something started to shift. Tom had more energy. Mia felt lighter, inside and out. Joe started waving at neighbors again. Lena began smiling more than she scrolled. It wasn't just physical, it was mental, emotional, powerful. They started sleeping better, laughing more, living deeper. No special diets, no personal trainers, just a choice to move. Then others joined in, friends, family, strangers. One walk became a routine became a movement. Mia formed a walking group at the park. Tom inspired his whole office to walk after lunch. Joe now leads a local seniors walk and talk every morning. And Lena, she started a walking club at school, and it's growing every week. They didn't count steps, they counted stories, sunsets, wins, stronger bodies, clearer minds, fuller lives. They didn't wait until it was too late. They started while it still mattered, while they still could, and now they never want to go back. And here's the truth. They weren't athletes. They weren't influencers. They were tired, busy, real people, just like you. And if they could do it, you can too. You don't need permission or a plan, just a pair of shoes and a reason. Walk for your heart, your kids, your peace, your future. Start with 10 minutes. Start with your street, your park, your hallway. Start where you are, but start. Because the walk that changed everything could be yours.